In today's video, I'm going to share with you the lemon ginger blast that is super powerful. Not only if you're doing a juice cleanse, but also incorporating it into your daily routine. If not at least, a few times a week, you're going to see the benefits very quickly to glowing skin, brighter eyes, healthy glowing hair. It's really going to help you. It's going to help you flush out the toxins, get the lymph flowing, get the lymph moving, getting the blood flow. And also if you are constipated, then this is definitely a good juice to be taken in, especially when you are struggling to go to the toilet. It's a really good eliminator. It's great for everything. It has so many benefits. I'm going to share the recipe. Now I do tweak it a little bit to my taste. You may just experiment, see what you prefer as well. I do enjoy to put a little bit of mint in there. Super delicious, even if you have half a litre. I usually tend to when I'm making it, because I like to do a big batch all in one go, I have a litre and I enjoy that at least 3-4 times, if not more, a week, because of how powerful it is. It's great to start your day with. Really astringent, powerful, deep cleansing juice. Enjoy. Let me know what your thoughts are. So we're going to make the lemon ginger blast. I've altered it slightly with volume and extra, like I use mint as well as extra because I really enjoy the taste. So we have celery. At this one I'm putting in 3 stalks of celery. I've got 8 apples, Granny Smith apples, and 3 cucumbers. I've got a 1.5 thumb sized ginger, and the same for turmeric as well. And then we have coriander, a bunch of coriander and a bunch of mint. And then 2 lemons, which I've already juiced. And then I literally get it all prepared and put it into the juicer. So I like it all organized, all tidy as much as I can. And then I just throw bits in, mix it up a little bit. Quite straightforward. This is great to have daily if you can. This will give you just over a litre of juice. Actually 1.5 litres, which is perfect to have daily or share it between 2 people. It's very astringent, so if you're constipated, if you want glowing skin, it's anti-aging. You want whiter eyes, you want energy, you want a little bit of salt, you're craving some salt, then the celery helps with that. It's just an all-round great juice. It has so many benefits. I love lemon juice. And then what I generally do with like the waste, you can dehydrate it. I usually put it back into nature. You can feed the chickens, there's pigs, or back in into the ground and let the animals absorb all this goodness. Lemon ginger blast. Let me know if you like it, if you've tried it. Experiment. I find that sometimes you can put too much celery, too much of the green. I like the sweeter, the apple, even too much lime. Be careful with the lemons. You can put lime in it as well. Play around with it. I'll share the actual recipe in the description. But play around. Add, take in, add extra, take out. But yeah, this can have this 5 days a week, not just when you juice it. Or juice cleanse, just have some daily juices and these greens. This is a great juice to start your day with, especially because it's so hydrating, full of all those phytonutrients. Let me know what you thought of the lemon ginger blast. If you felt it was easy, looks easy to make, do you incorporate it into your lifestyle? I highly recommend that you do. If you like this video, thumbs up. If you haven't already subscribed, Also, turn on the bell notification to support the channel, but also to be notified of when the next videos are. Also, comment down below if you've got any questions, and check out my website if you want my free ebook as well. I've got a complimentary, amazing ebook on how to live an exceptional life, not just have a dream body, but an exceptional life that is really fulfilling. Be, feel, and stay Rawlicious.